Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix GameLoop bug report problem and crashing issue so you can run the emulator without interruptions. First, restart your PC because temporary system glitches can trigger frequent crashes and bug reports. Next, run GameLoop as administrator to avoid permission-related issues. After that, clear the emulator cache by deleting temporary files from the GameLoop folder to remove corrupted data. You should also update your graphics drivers to the latest version, since outdated drivers can cause instability. Another important step is to enable virtualization in your BIOS settings for better performance and fewer crashes. Also, disable your antivirus temporarily because it may block emulator components. If the issue continues, reinstall GameLoop completely for a fresh setup. Finally, restart your PC again and launch the emulator, and the bug report problem should be fixed. Subscribe the channel for more videos.